Good day everyone. So for today's video is I'm going to play my animation, and this is my activity for our final requirements in EMC 221. So as you can see Deadpool. So I'm gonna play the animation. So as you can see, Deadpool is dancing, and that's my output for our final requirement, is to make a character animation. So thank you for watching.